Thank you for joining me on this meditation and prayer on anxiety. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed, and let's begin. Today, we'll be meditating on the scriptures Philippians 4:6-7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God, and the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your heart and your minds in Christ Jesus. Begin by acknowledging any anxieties or worries that may be on your mind. Picture them as burdens you are carrying. Imagine laying these burdens down before God, one by one, like placing them at the foot of the cross. Release them into His care. As you present your request to God, do so with an attitude of gratitude. Thank Him for His love, His faithfulness, and His willingness to hear your prayers. Inhale deeply, saying, I release my anxieties to you, Lord. And exhale, saying, thank you for your care. Now visualize the peace of God as a gentle, radiant light filling your heart and mind. See it expanding and surrounding you. Let this peace wash over you, calming your thoughts and emotions. Allow it to bring stillness and serenity to your inner being. Recognize that God's peace transcends all human understanding. It's the peace that goes beyond circumstances and logic, a supernatural peace that comes from Him alone. Inhale deeply, saying, the peace of God fills me. And exhale, saying, it guards my heart and mind. Return to this verse, Philippians 4:6, and meditate on the words. Do not be anxious about anything. Repeat this verse to yourself as a reminder to let go of anxiety and trust in God's care. Consider specific situation or worries in your life and release them to God once more, affirming your trust in Him. Inhale deeply, saying, I choose faith over anxiety. And exhale, saying, I trust in your plan, Lord. As you conclude this Christian meditation, carry with you the sense of peace that comes from surrendering your anxieties to God. Remember that this is a practice, and the more you meditate on Philippians 4:6-7, the more you will experience the peace of God guarding your heart and mind. May you find comfort and strength in His presence, knowing that He is always there to hear your prayers and grant you His peace that transcends all understanding.